What a beautiful day! Let's play!
Who is ready for some fun?
Emmy! Whee! Hi, Mia. Ready, go! Look at Shadow! He wants to play.
Oops! Where did it go? How about some pool fun? Pool time is always with a grown-up nearby.
Okay. Splash! 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 Look, a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Meow! Good job, Shadow.
Ready?
Ready!
1, 2, 3, splash! Go, go, go!
We did it!
We both won!
Time for a yummy fruit break.
Yummy! Let's share.
Sharing is fun.
Today was so much fun. We played together and we shared. Friends and family make every day special. Play, share, laugh together.